Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly Forex analysis. I'll start with Euro USD. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Let's start with the monthly chart as usual. Good, where's my monthly chart? Okay, yeah, that's my monthly, sorry. Good, so the current monthly candle, this is a red candle. The market is still above the Bollinger Middle Band. It's still above the moving average 100. So this is the current situation on the monthly. I do expect that the right arm of this butterfly pattern will be completed. So this is they are the most important facts you should know about the monthly chart, in my opinion. As long we are above those either moving average or the monthly candle will still be in green, so you can expect the market to go to the upside. But let's go to the weekly. So the weekly, we have got a green candle, so that should give you a long trade setup. This is that point. Okay, so that's the weekly. This is green. There are more important things which are happening on the lower intervals, like 3-hour or 4-hour chart, because I was talking about it last week and I was explaining it, the whole movement here, and I was expecting the market will reverse in this area, and this happened. Okay, so that's why you had one signal for this Euro USD, a long buy limit, long signal, and the market went strongly to the upside. Okay, so this is what is going on the 3-hour chart. So we had the first move to the upside, then an ABC correction. That's the third move, and the market is probably making a fourth wave, corrective wave, and then the market should reverse and finalize and finish this upward movement. Okay, so I will show it on the daily chart. So that's the daily situation. We had the first. Either the ABC correction is completed and the market started the fifth wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth wave to the upside, or this C wave will take a little bit longer. So the market did a part of a correction and may continue the C wave to complete, because usually the C wave is longer, and in this case it's 71% of the A leg of the A wave. Typically the C wave goes down to the extremum of A, sometimes goes even to 161.8. Okay, so those are alternative scenarios, but this is what may come and what may happen on the market. Let me show you. That's the 6-hour chart. So you can see this upward move and this green Fibos. I measure the whole downward movement and the retracement of this movement, and you can see that the market has go up to almost to the 61.8 level, which is very typical, and you should know it. Yeah. So the market is in this area, and in my opinion, the market may try to react to this or to respect those levels. Okay, so either we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or the market may finish it, make a correction and do another move to the upside. Okay, but this looks like a quite a strong move. So this could be a new impulse to the upside. Okay, the final fifth to the upside. Yeah, but it's we will know it. When we will know it after we have a correction here, and the market will keep on moving strongly to the upside, breaking those highs. There will be some highs here, and the market will keep on breaking those highs. That will indicate, okay, this is not a corrective structure here, but this is a new impulse to the upside. There was a resistance line, and this line was broken as well. And for those of you who trade based on break through the resistance line or the support line, on this candle, this line was broken, so you enter into a position with a stop loss at least below that low, this is the low, so the stop loss should be placed below this low here. So there is around 100 pips, and you have 1-to-1 trade setup, okay, which is a very nice trade setup. Okay, so I think that's the most important stuff for Euro USD. Let's go to the Great Britain Pound USD. You have received one signal for the Great Britain Pound USD on last Friday, which has developed very nicely as well. So this is the 2 days chart, and on this 2 days chart, last week I said the market finished the third wave, but this is not the case. So you should be flexible in your analysis, and you should be able to say, okay, wait a moment, maybe there is something else happening here, and this is the case. Okay, so I discovered it, and the market did a this is the 1, 2, this is 1, 2, this is 3. Yeah, that's the final fifth, and the fifth is not completed yet. This was 1, 2, 3. A, B, C for 4, and that's the final fifth. And the market most probably will react, or was trying to reach this FIBO 100, which is the length of 1 until 1 to 3, first wave, second and third wave, and this is the expansion, FIBO expansion for this movement. Okay. Starting at the bottom of the fourth wave. So now the market may react between 61.8 and 100. Sometimes reaches 100. Sometimes around this area. In this case, the market finished this movement, but this is not finished completely yet, in my opinion. So that's the important stuff. I've got it on 2 hours. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a strong 3 inside. I was talking about it on my Google Plus account profile, commenting it during this development, and that's the fourth. Okay, so that's the fourth part of the fourth wave. Most probably 5 wave to the downside, ABC another 5. So 5, 3, 5 as a whole correction, because this was a flat correction. So here we can expect a zigzag 5, 3, 5, and then we will have a final move to the upside, which will finish most probably this third wave. So I can push it and drag it to a slightly higher. So this should finish in the future. Okay, so this is what is important for the euro, for the Great Britain Pound USD. That's the part of this correction. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5. This will be completed, and then we go to the upside. Let's check once again the 3 hours chart, because I've got here this whole movement as well. Okay, so this was, yeah, so this is this movement and this green Fibos. Based on that, I measure the retracement for the fourth wave. This is quite deep already. This is quite deep. Okay, why I can call it deep, a deeper correction, because it's more than 50%. Okay, and you can see in this is 70%. You know, the 76.8 Fibo level. Okay, so the market may react somewhere here. Typically, this is the moving average 100. So the market may touch it, may react to this, may respect it, and may reverse. So this is what may happen, and most probably this will happen. Okay, let's go to the gold, because gold is also on my list. Let's go to, that's the monthly green candle, at least at the moment, 3 days. I was talking about this resistance line. This is broken. Let's go deeper and let's check the 12-hour chart. I was talking about it last week. Most probably the first wave to the upside is completed. Okay, and the resistance line was broken as well, so the market did the first move. Now a corrective structure in ABC for the second. This may go down to those 50, 60% levels. The market may reverse. Most probably will retest this broken resistance line, and they will keep on going to the upside, because I expect that the market is making a flat correction for the fourth wave A, B, and C. This will be a 4 and then a 5 to the downside. So this is what is important on gold. I go now to the Japanese yens monthly. This is red currently. We had very nice movement on the Great Britain pound Japanese yen last week as well. Let's check the weekly. 1 second. Where's my weekly? Yeah, that's the weekly. So this is red. This is red, so that should give you a short trade setup. But what is quite important very important on the Great Britain pound Japanese yen, that's the count on the daily. And in my opinion, the fifth black was completed, was finished, and now the market is making the fourth wave corrective structure, the fourth corrective wave, the blue one. Okay, and the market may react to this 20-30% levels or 38.2 levels, typical levels for the fourth wave corrective structures. Okay, and what I find out on the 3 hours chart. That's the that's the 3 hours. That's the black 5. The black 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those two fives, those two structures have had the same finishing levels, the same reversing levels. So that is the reason the market reacted so strongly to that, okay, and went to the downside. That was very, very nice. And yeah, and now most probably we are finishing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first impulse to the downside as part of this corrective structure. A, B, and C. The B may go up to those highs here, so there might be some strong, a few hundred moves around this area in the coming weeks or days. Probably it may take a few weeks, or at least between 5 and 10 days to complete. But this can bring a lot of money. Okay, so this is the Great Britain pound Japanese yen. Let's go to the USD Japanese yen. That's the monthly, and there is a resistance line on the monthly, but something similar happened on the USD Japanese yen. That's the divergence with the MACD indicator. So the market made a new high, and the MACD was not able to make a new high. So that says about a trend to change, and this is what is happening. And in a few last analysis, I was talking about the development on the 3 hours chart, and this is the 3 hours chart. But in my opinion, the market finished the blue 5 and started a new corrective structure, and the 5 wave impulse to the downside may finish very, very soon. But this was quite a surprise for the market. Actually, the market should start in the next minutes, because we've got it's 11 p.m. Central and Eastern time. Yeah, the markets are opening now. The market is opening now. Okay, so I'm quite late with this analysis this time. Sorry for that, but I had some issues with this recording software, and I was away during the weekend, so this is the reason for that. Okay, so that's the USD on the day and on the 3 hours chart, and let's check once again the weekly. And if the 3 is completed, the fourth blue is developing, and this is most probably the first part of this fourth wave. Okay, but I will keep on informing you and updating you regarding the development, because you got access to my comments on this Google Plus account, and I prepare subscribers for all the coming trade setups. Let's check the Euro Japanese yen as well, on the most important stuff. So let's go to the weekly candle. Weekly, this is red. The 3 hours chart, we had one AB, and this C is already completed, so we've got the second wave completed. This is the most important stuff, because the C wave was not able to reach typical levels for the C wave, but this was a running flat correction. A, B, and C. The C was not able to reach the extremum of wave A, and this market did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will be completed in ABC corrective structure, and another move to the downside. Okay, so but I will check it, and I will let you know what I think about this new development on this pair, on those charts. Okay, so this is the most important stuff for this week. Thank you for watching, and have a nice trade setups, and